Doing well with money isn't necessarily about what you know, it's about how you behave. For instance, Ronald Read, a janitor with no formal financial education, managed to amass an $8 million fortune by saving diligently and investing wisely. Luck and risk play significant roles in financial success. Take Bill Gates, for example. He had access to a computer at a young age, which was a rare opportunity at the time. This access played a crucial role in his success. The power of compounding is illustrated through Warren Buffett, who started investing at a young age. Buffett's wealth is largely due to the compounding effect over decades. Time is a crucial factor in building wealth. Financial independence can lead to a happier life. Consider a couple who retired early by living frugally and saving aggressively. They now have the freedom to pursue their passions without financial stress. Our financial decisions are heavily influenced by our personal experiences. For example, two people who grew up during different economic periods had different approaches to money. One experienced the Great Depression and became very conservative with money, while the other grew up during a booming economy and was more willing to take financial risks. Reflect on your own financial behaviors and decisions. Think about how your experiences have shaped your approach to money. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but how you behave with money that makes the difference.